U.S. Ministry of Tourism and Aviation is thrilled to welcome back longtime partner Royal Caribbean International, as the cruise line announced that Nassau will be the home port for Adventure of the Seas beginning this June.
Royal Caribbean International has been a longtime partner of the islands of the Bahamas. And so it is quite fitting you would be the one to first home port in our waters. We have worked together for some 50 years, and the Bahamas very much looks forward to beginning this new chapter in our relationship. Both the Bahamas and Royal Caribbean share in the challenge that this last year has presented. The global travel industry has been crippled by this once-in-a-century pandemic, but we have not given up. We have stayed the course. We have learned and evolved and adapted to an environment that changes rapidly. Together, we share the same goal: to provide unparalleled vacation experiences, and to do so in a way that gives travelers peace of mind, that they can relax and enjoy, feeling confident that their health and safety will be well taken care of. I spoke last week and announced that restarting the cruise industry was the tipping point for our people, for our industry, for our country. And we are most grateful for the role Royal Caribbean has played and will continue to play in reigniting our tourism economy.
Here at Tourism, we're happy to say our destination is ready and waiting to resume its role as the region's go-to place where travelers head for escape and rejuvenation. I'm Mercedes Demerit, and this is Tourism Today.